Tensions over the Strait of Hormuz are dragging down hopes of a negotiated peace settlement between the U.S. and Iran. Natalie Brand has more details now from the White House.
A British maritime tracking agency reports a projectile hit a ship going through the Strait of Hormuz Tuesday, as tensions over the key waterway remain a sticking point between the U.S. and Iran.
We have total control over the strait. Now, they can be a nuisance. They can put a mine in the water, and people don't like having mines hit their billion-dollar ships, etc.
Iran continues to talk with Middle East ally Oman over a plan to manage traffic through the strait, while President Trump is threatening to bomb Oman if they, quote, get in the way.
No, I don't think they behave very well, but we'd handle them very easily, just like we do other things.
Iran's top negotiator says the strait will not reopen until its demands are met. And Tehran is pushing back against President Trump, saying he wants to make the strait a U.S. territory.
Well, I just think it's a great idea.
An Iranian diplomat warned, quote, soon Trump's delusion regarding the Strait of Hormuz will either be corrected or we will correct the delusions of this delusional man. President Trump this morning said there are no talks or conversations going on with Iran and that the U.S. naval blockade remains in full force. President Trump's son-in-law and negotiator Jared Kushner spoke to Fox News Monday, saying the #1 goal remains making sure Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon.
If Iran is willing to, finish the deal that they've been discussing with us to give up their ability to create a nuclear weapon, then obviously he's willing to make a deal that could be great for the Iranian people.
Oil prices rose again Tuesday as optimism faded over a breakthrough. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.